scientist. Today we're drawing a dog. Dog in Spanish is perro.
Are you ready to learn some Spanish while we are drawing? Let's do this. This time we're using crayons. Crayons in Spanish says crayones. I'm taking the black color. Black in Spanish is negro. I'm doing half a circle first and then another half a circle and a third one. These are gonna be the ears. So now let's go down in like a U shape. Okay, and the ears are done. Ears in Spanish is orejas. Now let's do two little lines in each side, and from here we're gonna do his mouth. So just kind of like a half of an oval shape. And that's gonna be the mouth. Now here I'm gonna do two ovals for the eyes. Oval in Spanish is óvalo. Okay, next is the nose, and it's just a little line and then a U shape under, and we're gonna fill that with black. Black in Spanish, remember, we say is negro. I'm gonna continue here with a half a circle around his eye to make like a spot. And now I'm filling the ears. Fill in Spanish is rellenar. And I'm leaving a little white on the top. Now a little line for his mouth. And let's do here, now start making the part of the body. So one line that goes down until the end of the paper and another one that goes down in the right side to the end of the paper. Okay, now we're gonna do spots. Spots in Spanish is manchas. I'm doing one here on the left and I'm gonna do one little one on the right. Now I want to do here the legs, so it's just two lines in the front. To finish this doggy, I want to switch to my red crayon and I'm going to start coloring the collar. Collar in Spanish is collar. And I want to fill this with red all along. And the last step, we're going to switch to blue. Blue in Spanish is azul, and we're gonna do the dog tag, just a circle. And that's it. Our doggy is finished.
Great job! If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!